Hi, you're watching App Sites. My name is Shaman, and I give app and website tutorials and reviews. Today, we're going to be talking about Too Good to Go, and that's an app that allows people to buy unused food from restaurants, delis, and supermarkets for deep discounts. So let's get right into it. So let's open the Too Good to Go app. The first thing you're going to see is the discovery page. So at the top, it's going to show where you're located at, and it's going to show the mile radius of where you're located. So if I click on it, it's going to show a 5 mile radius within Springfield Gardens because that's where I'm located. So you can use this radio bar on the bottom to adjust that, but I'm going to set it back down to 5 miles. You can also search a city by clicking in here, but I found that it doesn't work too good for me. So you can also click use my current location if you made some adjustments. So I'm going to click use my current location, and we're back to the discovery tab. So on this page, you can actually search for something if you want to. You can put in, let's say, pizza, and then you will see pizza places here that are in here. So I'm going to cancel that search. And then the first thing you're going to see is recommended for you. So this is going to be places that are within your area, and they're also going to be places probably based on things that you have searched for before or types of items you have bought. So it's a lot of suggestions you're going to see along the top. And you can see all the prices range from $3.99 to $5.99. So this is very affordable, these items that you can buy. So when you scroll down, you're going to see save before it's too late, which are things that are coming up. So right now, as I'm recording this, it's almost 7 p.m. And you can see right here, it says Golden Crust. You can have a pickup today between 8:30 p.m. and 9 p.m. And it's only $3.99 per item. So it's 4 left because there's usually a limited supply of these surprise bags that you get. And inside these surprise bags, they are exactly that. You don't know what you're getting. And it could be meat, it could be vegetables, it could be bagels. Usually you have a hint based off this is Golden Crust. So when I click into there, it'll talk about Golden Crust. It'll have some ratings. It'll show the price, the pickup time, the location, and it can give you a little bit of information about ingredients if you click into there, and shows you a little bit of information about that. So I could click reserve and I can actually get one of those. And I actually got a Golden Crust surprise bag before, and it was Jamaican food. It was oxtails and curry chicken and a lot of other Jamaican food. So I'm going to go back, and as you can see, there's 3. So someone purchased one of those because it was 4. So you can scroll down and you can see supermarkets are listed here. As I mentioned before, there are delis that are listed here. And these are things that you can pick up now in this particular row here. You select it and you purchase it. And these are things that you can pick up tomorrow, and you can donate to a charity, and you can pick up things for dinner, baked goods, meals, and also you can see your favorites on the bottom here. So let's scroll back up, and then I'm going to choose the Browse tab. So when you're in the Browse tab, you're actually going to see it in a list format, and it's going to be the same radius, the same location, and you're just scrolling, and this is sorted by relevance. You can actually sort it by distance or the price or the rating if you choose to. So these are just some places that are sorted by relevance, and if it's grayed out like this, that means that they sold out, and it actually lets you know when they were sold out. Like this particular place right here, Springfield and LeBarry Pizza, it was sold out at 1:21 p.m. today. So you can also click on this tab right on the right that says sold out, and you can just see things that are available today. So that's a good shortcut, so you won't have to even go through things that are sold out. So I can get something from Golden Crust. I can get something from Associated Supermarkets. And as you can see, this is a dairy surprise bag. At this particular supermarket, they actually have a grocery surprise bag, and they also have a deli surprise bag. So there's a lot of options that you can get at these different places. You can also change this to the map format so you can see where you are. You can scroll around here, and let's say I'm more in South Queens. You can go to North Queens. You can click there where it says plus, and then you can see the dot spread out, and you can click on the dot, and it'll say this is Bagels and Company, and it's in Fresh Meadows. You can click on this dot. It'll say Danny's Grill, which is one of my favorites. I've been there before. And you can scroll down. Only have 9 minutes to reserve something. So let's go back here. You can also go to favorites, and you can see this is Danny's Grill. So I actually like Danny's Grill, and I've eaten from there before, and it was quite tasty. So I'm going to click on Danny's Grill, and I'm going to click that, go down here to click reserve, and it gives me a little bit of information because it lets you know that it's a surprise bag. And let me see, the store will fill it with a selection of their unsold items. If you have questions about allergens or specific ingredients, please ask at the store. Got it. Okay, so I can get 1 or 2 bags. So you can see it's $5.99 plus tax. So I'm going to get 2. So it's coming to $13.04. You can use your Google Pay or Apple Pay, or you can use another payment method. So I'm going to use Google Pay because that's pretty convenient. So by default, I'm going to use this particular credit card, and I'm going to select that. So my order is being placed, and just like that, it says you've just saved the meal from being wasted. Celebrate with your friends and start saving meals together. And you can share what you've done on social media. And I'm going to say not right now. So my order is placed, and it says pickup ends at 8:30. So when I go to this establishment to click it, well, I'm actually going to click right there where you can go into here to see your order, and it's going to say pending pickup. So it's the order ID, and I have a number right here. So as you can scroll down, you can see it says what I have. It says the location. You can even click on this location here, and it'll take you to a GPS app of your choice, and it will give you directions there. And it says the pickup is today between 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. A lot of the establishments have pickup later, like between 3 and 9 or 10 when they close. And some actually have later, like 9 or even 10 o'clock, because it's at the end of the day. So every establishment does it differently. So this particular establishment has a little more flexibility. And it says, explains how you got to do it. You got to see the cashier to collect your bag. Be ready to swipe your receipt upon pickup. Bags may take a few minutes to make. Please be patient. The store will provide packing for your food, but we encourage you to bring your own bag to carry it home in. So when I get to Danny's Grill, I'm going to tap collect right here. And then once I get there, I'm going to show them that I'm there to collect these 2 surprise packages. And then I'm going to tap the collect, and then you're going to swipe to complete this transaction. It's very self-explanatory. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple, straightforward process, and you can save money. You can get good food. You can help prevent food waste. You can help prevent environmental problems like CO2 and everything that goes along with food waste and all sorts of kind of waste. One other thing that's kind of neat on this app too is when you click on the Me tab, you can actually see at the top, there's going to say $. You click on that and you see how many surprise bags you purchased for that month, the original value of the food, the amount that you paid, and the money you saved. And you can also see how much you've saved other months if you click to the left. And then if you back, and you can see a total savings on the bottom. And then if you click the middle icon at the top, you're actually going to see all the places that you ordered from and the ratings that you gave those places. So it shows I had 12 surprise bags in total. And then to the right of that, there's an icon you can click that says 66 pounds. So this shows you how much kilowatt electricity you saved and how many smartphone charges it's equivalent to, how many hot cups of coffee, and how many hot showers. So that's pretty interesting. You can see your environmental impact and how much money you save, and it's all within the app. So 66 pounds of CO2 that's been saved from my orders. So this particular, on the bottom here, it says your order picks up. It says pickup ends at 8:30 p.m. today. So that's going to stay on there. So when I close the app and open it back, that'll stay there. So I'll have easy access to pick up my order. So that's the Too Good To Go app. It's a very good app, and try it out. You get some good food. One thing I do realize is that when I went on vacation and traveled to other areas outside of New York City, I haven't seen it available as much, but it's pretty much available in larger cities. And the more people use it and you suggest restaurants and delis to sign up, the more benefit it will, it will have, and the more availability you have when you go out of cities in larger urban areas. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing other app and website tutorials and reviews. So if you're into that kind of thing, subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video.